Welcome to the fascinating journey through the human digestive system. Imagine taking a bite of your favorite food. That's where our journey begins. As you chew, your teeth break down the food into smaller pieces, while saliva starts the digestion process right in your mouth. Next, the food travels down the esophagus, a muscular tube that connects your mouth to your stomach. Here, powerful acids and enzymes continue to break down what you've eaten into a creamy mixture known as chyme. Moving into the small intestine, the real magic happens. This is where nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream, thanks to tiny structures called villi that line the intestinal walls. These nutrients provide energy and building blocks for your body. As we journey further, we reach the large intestine. Here, water is absorbed and the remaining waste material is prepared for excretion. The large intestine plays a crucial role in maintaining your body's hydration and electrolyte balance. Finally, the journey concludes as waste is expelled from the body through the rectum, marking the end of the digestive process. Understanding this incredible system gives us a glimpse into the intricate workings of our bodies, highlighting the importance of maintaining digestive health. Thank you for joining us on this educational exploration of the human digestive